Contrapunctus VI takes us into a different world. Bach steps away from the older, more severe style of the earlier fugues and writes something colourful, lively, and full of rhythmic sparkle. It carries the marking in Stylo Francese, in the French style, and you can hear that immediately in the dotted overture-like rhythm. In this fugue, Bach doesn't just use one version of his theme, he uses four. We hear the theme in its normal form, turned upside down, and in two rhythmically altered versions, one quicker, one with a dotted French overture rhythm. These versions overlap constantly. Almost at any moment in the piece, two or more versions of the theme are sounding at the same time, moving in different directions or at different speeds. Contrapunctus VI is also what Bach called a counter fugue. That simply means he combines different forms of the theme together, upright with inverted, steady rhythms with dotted ones. The French overture style gives it a proud ceremonial feel, but Bach immediately sets this against streams of flowing semiquavers. The tension builds between the dotted rhythm and the quicker running notes, and that contrast becomes one of the defining features of the whole fugue. Unlike Contrapunctus V, which unfolds in very clear sections, Contrapunctus VI is much more fluid. The entries overlap, cadences rarely fall together in all the voices. The music feels like a continuous tapestry, always developing, always moving forward, rather than a piece divided into neat paragraphs. In the first half, the flowing semiquavers never last long, just a few beats at a time. But as the fugue progresses, these passages become longer and more energetic. Eventually, the running lines push the music towards a wonderful passage where the dotted French rhythm returns with real force, bringing all the voices into a powerful, rhythmically united climax that leads to a fermata. Contrapunctus VI is one of the fugues that Bach revised heavily. Many changes involve the dotted rhythms, some to sharpen a contrast with the flowing lines, some simply to tidy up the notation. A few of these changes may even have been written by Anna Magdalena Bach, working under his direction. Contrapunctus VI is one of the most vivid and expressive movements in the art of fugue. A blend of French overture style, intricate counterpoint, and constantly shifting textures. Four versions of the theme intertwined, running notes against dotted rhythms, a steady build-up to a brilliant climax. Bach creates a fugue that feels both ceremonial and alive with motion.